Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create counter app using Flutter block state management. Let's start. Firstly of all, we want to create a folder which name is counter cubic cubic. Okay, and then I want to create a file which name I use to counter cubic dot bar. And also, I want to create a new file which name is counter screen dot okay. Here we can use skip less management uh, counter screen, and here we can write new scaffold using scaffold widget, uh, app bar widget, title and text, which text name is I use to counter screen. Okay, here let's call to this screen to main.start. We want to call to this screen here. Okay, look at this here, it's visible on counter screen. Uh, let's finish my UI part. Here body, center, child, and text. Here we need to counter. Also, I want to need a button to uh, show my UI part. Floating action button. We can use the column, children, floating action button. Okay. Uh, here we can use a child icon, icon dot add. add. Okay. This is this the icon is visible, but it's not clean visible in my UI part. Let's fix it. We want to here non-access alignment dot and also we want to size of size central. Then we want to use here icons in we want to use minus is a minimize icon. Actually, there is a plus button and here minus button to implement my counter. That's my UI part is done. Now we want to use better block state management to manage our UI part. Let's start here. We want to come first.dev, search Flutter blocks. Here we got it Flutter block packages. We want to use Flutter block packages here our UI part and import. It's already imported in my file. Let's start to execute. Okay, we want to create class. It's now counter create extend to create. Okay, now we can initialize counter create super initialize initial value we can use to zero. Now we can create a method to increment or decrement our state management. So first one we can create a first method increment. increment which I ns state plus one, and also we want to use decrement state management, decrement here we use two minus one. Okay, here we want to use now we want to use this pivot in our UI part. How to use this UI? Let's start. First of all, we want to use a block. We want to use to provide our block here. Scaffold block provider. Now we want to create context counter pivot. Okay. Also, we want to create what scaffold we want to use block builder to show our UI path. Create block builder. Then I will say here is some error to what is here. I fixed it here. It's go to uh, provider failed sentence as provider no longer to true. Okay, I fixed this because the block builder know what is it. Okay, here we want to import pivot counter pivot. Also we want to integer value, but integer value is not usual because we don't define here enter value. Now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. Okay. So now we can call to our method contact dot read and our pivot name counter pivot dot increment. Let's try its work or not. But we want don't show here DY part, so it's not visible see its work or not. Let's start. We want to show here our UI part state. Look at this here. It's visible to because my UI part is visible now. It's good. Let's start. It's visible to it. Also, we want to uh, make a document statement. Hmm, document. Because it's working now. One problem is it's a minus value here. So how to fix this minus value? Let's fix it. Here we want to make one condition. If state is greater than 0, then it's emit the state. Now it's work when you click minus, it's not work, but when you implement it's working. So that's you also fix here a debug comment. Debug false. So this here is not visible. Now this is now that's it. If you found helpful video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's it.